Wifey's using the sledge. See how mad she can get. Don't hit your shin. If she was pissed off at me, she could swing harder than that. Hey, Holly, go over here where the blocks are attached to the wood. Beat over there. No. Over here on this side. Oh, good. Let's see, she has blonde streaks in her hair. So. Other side. Other side of the wood. There, now we're getting somewhere. Let me show you how it comes out. It is? We'll see about this. It ain't out of there.
Yes, it is.
Look at it.
Do you see anything down in there?
Oh, it's detached, you mean? No, it ain't. Yeah, I see an anchor right there. There, it's coming out. Alright. Oh, termite damage. Yep, she's out of there. She's out of there. Alright, next. Other way, if you can.
I can't.
Sure you
I can't
can.
even get my mallet down in there.
You gotta get your mallet in there, beat on the top of it. There. Oh, she's already broke off. You can take that sucker out of it. Yep. Yeah, that's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. Make sure you take that lock off there. It's a nice lock. All right, good deal. Alright. Down. All the carnage. Down to dirt. Oh hell. Got to get a swinging start at it. You better make sure that hand ain't in the way. You're gonna feel it. Whole wall's moving. Why don't you come down here and try to beat in that back wall? That one. The one down low. What she doesn't know is I've already tried.
That thing's solid.
Mm-hmm. Yep. That it is. Already been there and done that. Oh, hell.
Yeah. What's moving?
Probably dirt, I figure. Got a lot of mess to clean up. You're gonna end up chipping some of that off into your eye. You doing it like that? Probably could anyway. You want me to try it? I believe I'm going
I don't
to.
want to leave that with me.
All right. Well, I'm gonna tear the rest of that down.
I have a can of green beans right there.
Yeah. I don't think we want them.
No, don't do this. I want to do it myself,
will
but I
do
don't want
this.
to do it tomorrow. I
I
want to
will
do
do.
it tomorrow. No.
Nope. It's gonna come down now. Here.
No.
Gotta get mess cleaned up, so might as well start the day off tomorrow best. Watch out now. I'm gonna swing this over that way. Is it moving?
No.
I saw that was cracked in there. Got cement and everything else in my way. Over there somewhere. That was an 80-pound bag, by the way. About 3/4 full. A little bit on the solid side. Yep, I'm at a bad angle. Oh, whole damn side broke. That's why it was solid. Still dirt. All right. That's all I'm doing.